Hi guys, welcome sa ating second episode of CSS4 tutorial in Tagalog and English. So we are talking about CSS colors and background. So let's open up our Visual Studio Code and create a new file, which is I already have index.html. So let me just open it up and grab the preview and drag it to the right side. Ayan. So, gamitin lang natin yung snippet galing sa Visual Studio by pressing exclamation and then tab. At we will be using internal styles in here for this example. So, um, try nyo lang i-add yung each one and then try to add some text in here. So, mine will be this is color red. Ayan. Tapos, gawin nating apat. Ayan. Ito green. Ito, try nating blue. At ito is yung white. So, we have red, green, blue, at saka white. So, I will be selecting each one as my selector sa style. At tapos, close open bracket para i-add ko yung style dito sa element na ito. So, I am applying color of red. So, what happened is, yung H1 is the affected are the H1 elements. So, lahat sila naging red. Paano ba, ano bang problema dito? So, this time we will be fixing it by calling the class attribute. So, let me call this one a green text of class name and this one will be blue. Tapos ito is white at tapos ito is red. So, fix lang natin yung mga naming. Tapos ito green, tapos ito blue. Tapos ito is white. So, try nating save yung page natin. So, as you can see, it's still the same color. So, what I'll be fixing this one is I will be selecting the class. We are not using the H1 because it's already been affected by this red. So, red text by calling the selector by using that tapos yung class name. Ayun. So, fix na natin yung green. So, this one's gonna be red because we are selecting the red text as our selectors as style. So, let us fix the green as well by using that tapos class name and then followed by open bracket and the color is green. Ayun. Naging green na yung text natin. Ayan, fix na siya. So, copy this one and then paste it here. And then, paste lang natin yung class name tsaka gawin natin blue yung color. Ayun, blue. So, what's gonna happen sa case ng white is we cannot see the text white. It's because the default color of our page is white. So, kahit nawala siya dito, makikita pa rin natin yung text na color white. So, paano ba i-fix yung color ng white? Even though we have a white text, I will be adding background in here para po makita natin yung text. So, let's just add background color of, try natin black. Ayan. So, as you can see, may background color na siya at visible na yung white natin sa page. You can, let me just fix this one. You can add background color sa lahat ng um, H1 na ginawa natin by calling H1. So, lagyan natin ng background color na black. Ayan. Ayan. So, generalize natin dito. So, I am selecting H1, lahat ng H1. At it will be affected by this style. So, ayan, meron na siyang black dito, meron siyang black dito, at saka black sa color white. Ayan, so yun yung mga ways na pwedeng gamitin sa background color natin. So, ano pa ba? Medyo, hindi ko masyadong makikita yung blue. It's because black yung background. So, try nating i-change ito into something red, green, blue, RGB na um, value. So, RGB stands for red, green, blue. So, I will be, let's type 000. Try natin. So, still black. At meron din itong opacity. The last part will be the opacity of 0.4. Ayan, naging gray siya, 0.5. Tapos 0.9, medyo black na siya. Yung opacity na to is medyo gray siya. Ayan, 3, 4, 5. Meron ding background color na hex. Ayan. Hex is symbolizes for number sign tapos followed by some uh, alphanumeric number. So let's try to change this one into black. You can drag the selector. Yan. And the opacity is this one. Yan. Pwede nating change into something else. Ayan. Opacity. Yan. So this time I will be using gray. Tapos change na natin yung opacity niya. Medyo lighter. Ayan. So, this is hex. So, ano pa ba meron sa background color? So, how about HSL o hue, saturation, at lightness? So, HSL it's just the same as RGB, but this time it's gonna be percentage. So, try natin 20%, 20% at saka 20%. Ayan. So, medyo wala siyang output. Let's change to, ayan, 0. So, 0, 20%. So, ang U natin is 0. So, we are using HSL in here. So, let me drag and fix the color of our background. Ayan. So, I will be comfortable using RGB. So, if you're comfortable using HSL, hex, RGB, o di kaya the value or the value itself, black, red, or gray, you can use that color. But I am comfortable using the RGB kasi may opacity siya for. Ayan. So, I think that's for the background. So, pwede nyo rin gamitin yung gradient. Um, Change lang natin to gradient, this one. Search lang natin. Background color to gradient. Paano ba gawin yung gradient ulit? Oh, okay. So, linear gradient pala. Linear gradient. Ayan. So, try natin yellow to red. Linear gradient. So, I think this is a background image. Ayan. So, background image is yellow to red. So, Let me try to change the direction of this one to right. Ayan. So, from yellow, ang back natin from yellow to red. I think that's the color for linear gradient. So, that's covered up our topic for today. You can play with this one. You can play with your colors. I think that's it for our topic covered by colors and backgrounds. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on our next video.